Today I'm going to show you how to create cosmetic tube mockup design in Adobe Photoshop. First go to File. And open your design. Press Ctrl A to select all. Go to Edit. And choose Copy. Let's come back to our image. Press Ctrl V to paste. Let's name it Design. Then decrease the opacity. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Then right-click and choose the Distort. Click and drag of the corner handles. Right-click again, and choose Warp. Open the Warp list at the top, and select the arch. Then use the handle to determine the right bend for the cosmetic tube. Hit Enter or Return on the keyboard. Set the opacity back to 100%. Disable the design layer. Select the background. Open your pen tool from the toolbar. Draw a path around the cosmetic tube body to select it. Press Ctrl Enter to new selection. Now, enable the top layer. Then create a layer mask. Select the background. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Name the copy, Shadow. Then drag and drop it above design layer. Right-click and create clipping mask. Now, change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. We'll name it Highlight. Right-click again, and create clipping mask. And change the blending mode to screen. Press Ctrl L to open your levels window. Make the shadow input level 205. Decrease the opacity to 55%. Create one more copy by pressing Ctrl J. Then right-click and create clipping mask. Press Ctrl L to levels. Make the highlight input level 180. And the shadow input 120. I'll decrease the opacity to 40%. Select the design layer. Then right-click and convert it to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll make the radius 1.2 pixels. Go back to Filter, Noise, and add noise. I'll make the amount 12%. And that's it. Thanks for watching.